This is video 12 in which some questions are there. The question which is given in the notes as well as in textbook, that is, give reason. A person feels tired after heavy work or exercise. I already told you, right? A person, if a human is performing doing heavy exercise, for example this, running or anything, something. So what happens? The muscles which are present in the legs, right? This is leg. The muscles which are present here, the supply of oxygen is not very fast in the muscles in human body, right? Initially whatever the oxygen is present, right, it perform the aerobic respiration. Firstly aerobic respiration, in which large amount of energy large amount of energy is produced, right? But within some time, when the oxygen is utilized, right, and the supply of oxygen is reduced, because of supply of oxygen at this area to the muscles is not very fast, so oxygen is reduced. As the oxygen is reduced to the more and more level, means oxygen content is very less, then muscle perform anaerobic respiration, means they switch to the anaerobic respiration, because the person wants to run or person wants to do the exercise, hence it switch its respiration to from aerobic respiration to anaerobic respiration. Then secondly it perform anaerobic respiration. But in anaerobic respiration, the amount of energy is less. Energy is less, right? But with that less energy also, it can perform the function like exercise or running or whatever you want, right? But during anaerobic respiration, lactic acid is formed. This lactic acid level increases. As the level increases, then person start feeling fatigue. More and more lactic acid, more and more fatigue. And when a time comes when muscles are full with the lactic acid, at that time the person is extremely tired and he cannot continue his work or exercise. Hence, a person feels tired after heavy work or exercise. As the person take rest, then lactic acid dissolve and again person feel fresh for again doing work. Now second question is there, give scientific reason, and that is, it is given sometimes higher plants and animals to perform anaerobic respiration. We have learned that higher plants and animals, right, plants, which are the higher plants? All trees, right? Even their seeds, as well as animal, right? All animals, right? Including human, they perform anaerobic respiration, because as when the conditions are as such, what are the conditions? When less oxygen, less O2, first condition, or second condition, no oxygen, no O2. In such condition, they are switching their respiration from aerobic to anaerobic respiration, because work has to be continued or that process has to be continued. So plants, their seeds, during germination, when the seed germination takes place, that time they perform anaerobic respiration, because there is no oxygen at this time, right? Because hard seed coat is present, right? So they are performed. In animals, in humans, I told you earlier, right, while running or doing exercise, then what happens? Initially oxygen is present, but later on oxygen reduces, hence that person switch or the muscle switch from aerobic respiration to anaerobic respiration. So this is the case when less oxygen or no oxygen. Now the next question is, differentiate between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So let us differentiate between them, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. As you know, Aerobic respiration, right? Complete oxidation of glucose means C6H12O6 takes place. How it takes place? Because the last thing which is formed is carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water means they are the simplest substance. Hence, total amount of energy which is present in a glucose molecule is taken out, and that is 38 ATP. Right? Hence, complete oxidation means in the simplest substance they have converted C6H12O6 to water and carbon dioxide. Anaerobic respiration, right? Incomplete oxidation takes place. Why incomplete oxidation? Because glucose is converted. Glucose is converted ultimately either ethanol means alcohol, or it is converted into lactic acid. Lactic acid it is converted into vinegar means acetic acid, etc. Means these are the little larger molecule, complex molecule. Means complete oxidation or complete breakdown of glucose does not take place in anaerobic respiration, and that is why less amount of energy is produced. Second point, that is large amount of energy is produced. That is large amount of energy is produced. That is 38 ATP. 38 ATPs are produced from one glucose molecule. Here small amount of energy, and that is only 2 ATPs are produced. Right? Hence here complete oxidation, hence large amount of energy. Here incomplete oxidation, hence less amount of energy. Then after it takes place in cytoplasm plus mitochondria. Means two places are there. Some reaction like glycolysis and acetyl-CoA formation takes place in cytoplasm, while further it takes Krebs cycle takes place in mitochondria. Right? While in anaerobic respiration takes place only in cytoplasm. Means it complete in cytoplasm only, mitochondria is not required. Right? Then after it takes place in higher plants and animals. While it takes place in lower organism. Which are lower organism? Like bacteria, like yeast, etc.